Right. First steps to installing the bar. There we go. Got some tape laid out. And we got laser level over here. Okay, so first snag, we're looking at the beams, and originally the bar was going to be over here, and we had 32 inches between them. But now, using the stud finder, we're finding that we're not sure where the beams are on the wall. Very hard to find them, and it seems that they might not be 32 inches apart. So the alternate mounting is between the beams, and we could use this thing right here. This here, but to do that, it says we needed a 1 1/4 inch hole saw, and we need one that goes through tile. And I don't think that's something we have. So, anyways, maybe we'll probe in here, drill a couple holes.
Wherever it is.
Okay, so we got a little bit of a mess, but we're going to make it happen. This one hit home, this one didn't, and there's another one over here that I'm going to mark. We're going to put a hollow wall anchor in there. So this one's going to get a hollow wall anchor. Let's just...
You might just hit wood.
Nope.
No.
We already drilled it. That's plaster. There we go. See?
Yeah.
That went right through, so that was plaster. Okay. So that one gets a hollow wall anchor. Here we're going to put another hollow wall anchor. Another one that hit nothing, but we got 3 now. And then over here, this one was the good one up here,
right, yeah.
Okay? And then this one is hollow, so. Tighten a bit. See, nothing there. And then this one we think we're going to get with the small bit, we're going to put a real screw in. So let's try that. So here's what we have. We have the original hole that we put in, hit nothing. We've got one here that hit a beam, and then we've got 2 I added. These will be like hollow wall anchors. They won't prevent it from pulling out, but they'll provide good shear force strength. And over here, we're a little luckier. We've got 2 here that hit the beam, and then we got 1 hollow wall anchor. The beam's actually measured 31 inches, or 31 and a bit across, so a bit of an issue with the 32-inch bar. If they were 16 inches on center, we would have been okay. We'll get this going, we'll get the bar ready to go. Tony's been working out, so he's ready to put some screws in, and be right back.
What you need is a long the drill.
Yeah, probably have it.
It's too short.
Yeah, it's too long actually to fit in there.
Too long.
Yep. All right. Finishing touches. Go ahead and put the escutcheon on. Job's complete. Happy?
Yeah, I am.
It's done, right?
Yeah. I just said.